Good morning, guys. Yo, the first thing we need to do today is to have a coffee. And we're going to have a coffee in 7-Eleven. I got this new sunglass I bought together with John and Ronald. This is just $49. Very cheap. One, two. Yeah, today we're going to have a $2 coffee. Look at this motorcycle. Some of them are really nice looking, like this KTW. But you know, I'm not really a big fan of motorcycles because they are noisy, man. So we got this cappuccino from 7-Eleven. This is just $2, as you can see from the label. Yeah, this is the cheapest. I mean, there is $1, but yeah, we want $2 today because we are going to have a long walk. Yeah, we're going to explore Brisbane by walk. There are many independent coffee shops around the town, especially in the city, everywhere. In Sydney, in Melbourne, here in Brisbane. But you know, if there is a cheaper option, I always go for that. And 7-Eleven is one of the cheapest options to get a coffee. Yeah, if you compare to Europe, in Europe you can get €1 coffee. And yeah, that's cheap, especially in Italy. Coffee in Italy are cheaper than any other parts of Europe. Yeah. Oh, this is a beautiful church. It is a Catholic church because there is a cross on top of it. But you know, if you happen to be in Europe, I noticed when I was in Europe, yeah, there are many beautiful churches there, all beautiful churches, but there's not so much people going there to pray. I don't know why. You know, I'm not really happy with my mustache and this goatee. Yeah, I'm not comfortable. I just don't have the shave with me, and I don't want to buy a new one. And I'm going home tomorrow. Oh, I got it. This is St. John Cathedral, as mentioned in here. Oh, the loop, free service 50. Nice. So it means that they have a free buses that roaming around the city. That's a good thing. The first time I've seen a free bus that roam around the city is in Kuala Lumpur, in Malaysia. Yeah, nice. Wishing you come back to me, and it hurts me more than you know. So much more than it shows all at once. We are in the middle of the business center. Yeah, but you don't notice that because you know, it is like a combination of the business center and then the tourist area and then universities and colleges, hotels and restaurants are here. So yeah, I like it. We're not going to use that. Okay, let's get into this like sets of restaurant that is heading out to the river. Yeah, this one is already open. A good place to eat. They have a nice view of the, oh wow. Yeah, from here it is showing the bridge and the river, and they have this kind of ferry. Awesome. You know, the water is similar to every river. Yeah, color brown. Oop. Oh, it's really nice that this is also a bike lane. Okay, we're going to try to walk along all the way to wherever it is. Yo, there is always a beauty in everything that we see for the first time. There is a group of bikers. Yo, they are not electric bikes. There's so many. Good, it's good to see these people. It's good for the health, you know. Oh, there's one electric bike too. Eh, yeah, just two of them are using the electric bike. Nice. Yeah, the people, they are confident to leave the bike there. Looks like they're expensive bike, but they're just leaving it there. Eh, yeah. It means that the place is safe. No one will take it. Yeah, we are still here in the river. That's the bridge. We are sure we are going to cross that, going to the other side. Maybe this bird is weak and he can't fly. Really? Yeah, so he stayed there and he's not afraid of me. You know, this bridge, this is much shorter than the one they have in Sydney, the Harbour Bridge one. Yeah, so we can easily go through in there. If you are in this side, it gives you the vibes of being in Singapore, the one in the boat quay. Yeah, similar. Yo, and we are now here. There is one restaurant, Vidi's Burger, and then we're going to climb up to there. Awesome, that's a good experience. We are now here in the top, and there is really a short way going to the bridge. Cool. And this is really awesome. If you are a biker, you can get through this way and get up here coming from down there. Amazing, right? This one is the Torrens University of Australia. Torrens University is one of the known university here in Australia. They also have in Sydney and other cities of Australia. Wow, it is nice. If you can see that small path, that is a walkway like a floating along the river. It is long. Yeah, nice. This is really nice in here. Yeah, if you look at that, it's beautiful. Yeah, and you know, there is a bike lane, a pathway along the banks of this river, and you can really go through all the way to this side. I was actually coming from that side, and yeah, I just walked all the way there and I reached this place. And there is also a way, a bike lane, a pathway on the down there, so walking is really easy. Yeah, there are many people who are also biking, but not ideal for me. I don't want to go biking in there because a lot of people, and I won't be able to film when there's much people around, you know? Yeah, I reached this place because I was walking and looking for electronic shop to buy a new micro SD card for this camera, and I'm here. I don't know exactly the name of the place. Yeah, this micro SD card that I bought is $49, 64 GB. This place is actually near to the Hyundai Center. Yeah, Brisbane Lions. Yeah, this is a stadium. Chain of restaurant that's Korean. This is a Vietnamese. Yeah, you will notice that here in Australia there are different cuisine that are easily and affordable. When I was in the Philippines, I was thinking that, you know, the food, the different cuisine restaurant is expensive. Yeah, most of the cars I am seeing are new. Oh, look at this. There are many bikers here in Australia. No, here in Brisbane. This is a bridge connecting to the other building. Yeah, we're not going to ride the bus, we'll be just walking. We actually reached this place. It's a Mater Medical Center. I am sure there is at least one Filipino working in there, maybe a nurse. You know, another features that make Brisbane really beautiful is the, you know, it's not flat. In here you will notice that there are many, like, almost similar to Sydney, where some part is going uphill, some part is a low. Yeah, that shows, you know, the different buildings, shape, structure of the environment, you know. You know, when I was here last time, the only place I've been was that one with the Ferris wheel. Another good thing is that they have you know, a ferry station within the river. You see that, you see that. Yeah, also on this side they have here. And actually, if you get down on the banks of the river, there is a walkway, a bike lane also, that will go around. Yeah, beautiful. If you are here, you will enjoy it, sure. They have a coffee shop in the middle of the bridge. They even created this kind of viewing area, and there is a seat here. Yeah, we are coming from the bridge and we are now here. This, like, I don't know. Oh, this is QUT. If I'm not mistaken, QUT is Queensland University of Technology. Maybe. Yeah, just now I realized that I am still in the part of QUT, Queensland University of Technology. Oh, nice. There is a flyover above us. We're heading this way. They are doing some improvements in this area under the bridge. Maybe they are making it like something like a park. We're coming from that side, and there is a construction going on in here. Yeah. So we are at the moment in the ferry station, and we're not going to ride the ferry. I just show you how it is, and we're getting out of now here. The name of this station is North Quay. When I was in Singapore, I was reading that as Quay, boat Quay. And when I arrived here in Sydney, I realized that it's pronounced as quay, circular quay, boat quay. Yeah, it is like that. We are not going to take the staircase because the experience is different if we take the elevator. Okay, we're here, and we are now here. This is how it is. Beautiful. A lot of people walking. Yeah. You don't see much these people in you know, if you remember, I've been to several towns coming here, and there are no people in the street. That's the ferry. We are coming from that side. We walk all the way and we reach this bridge, and you know, we reach that stairway elevator, and this is the place here. Yo, there's so many cars, there's so many people in here. Good. If I am not mistaken, this is already the city center of Brisbane. As I can see from that, it is Brisbane Square, and yeah, it's nice in here. So we'll be just roaming around this area, and I will show you everything I see, and you know, what are my observation. I don't know what is this, but there is one hole here. We have a look. Yeah, this is the city hall of Brisbane. There are many people here. They're just relaxing, sitting. They have nothing to do. They're just Facebooking. This is the King George Square station, just next to the, you know, to the city hall of Brisbane. And looks like there are many shop and restaurant. I mean restaurant on that side, which we are looking for. You know, the time is 4:20, but you know, this place is still alive. So many people, I love it, man. Brisbane has the vibe of being in Europe. Yeah, because of these buildings, and there are some more on that side. Yo, I got the fish and chip and it's good. Yeah, also the dressing of the salad is really good. Yeah, it looks very, very beautiful. I mean, you know, there is the feeling that I like it. Maybe because of the people. I'm seeing a lot of people. Because you know, it is always the people that give life to a place. It is not just the beautiful tower, beautiful building, or the beautiful cars, but the people. It is always the people that gives beauty to everything. This looks beautiful, but I'm wondering what is that thing. Are they doing some construction still, or it's really a part of that? Yeah, I think these people, they are waiting for the bus. Yeah. It's good. I like to see people waiting for the bus. It is really nice because you know it is already 5 o'clock, but most of the shops are still open. So good. Look at the people crossing the street. We're not going to have a $1 coffee in 7-Eleven because we're going to have a coffee in the hotel.